The International Mobile Equipment Identity IMEI is a unique 15-digit number assigned to every mobile device. It serves as a fingerprint for your phone, allowing mobile networks to identify valid devices and help deter theft. So, how to find your lost phone using IMEI? First of all, file a report with the local police, providing them with the IMEI number, phone number, and any other relevant details. This report can help in recovery process and may be required for further steps as well. Now, contact your mobile service provider. Inform your mobile service provider about your lost phone and request them to block the IMEI number. This will prevent anyone from using your device on their network. They may also provide assistance in tracking the phone. Now, the other way is you can simply go to the App Store, and inside the App Store you can search for the IMEI detector or tracking services. Several online services and apps claim to help locate lost phones using the IMEI number. So, a free website that allows you to input your IMEI number to attempt to locate your device, or else you can also use the Find My Device of iPhone. For iPhone users, Apple provides a similar service called Find My iPhone. Simply tap on it, then tap on the devices option available there at the bottom tab. Now you will see its location on the map. You can choose to play a sound, enable lost mode, or erase the device using this. So that is it. Losing your phone can be frustrating, but by using your IMEI number or phone number, you can significantly increase your chances of recovering your device. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.